Today, I'm fixing my future because someone has to. If you start my savings and investment plans with Old Mutual today, then my future will be smoother than Dad's head. So you get advice from the people at Old Mutual, and I'll get those gold stars to make you proud. Any questions?
Do future doctors pack their own lunches?
Start their journey by speaking to an Old Mutual financial advisor today. Invest in their future. Do great things every day.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. The CEO does It's a transfer window. A lot of rumors and official news in between. A lot of players leaving their clubs, some of them extending their contracts. One of which we'll talk about in this video with Junior Kanye is Sipho Mbule and Rivaldo Coetzee leaving Mamelodi Sundowns. Now, Sipho Mbule is one of the most talented midfielder in this country. Unfortunately for him, he has not been showing that on the field of play for off-the-field reasons. He was sent on loan to Sekhukhune and then back to Sundowns. Now, he must have been 10 or 15 million when he was at SuperSport United. So he's an asset. Someone is going to get him for free. Who is that someone? Now, if someone gets him for free, they're going to have to deal with him on the field and him off the field. And what does the future hold for Rivaldo Coetzee? Junior Kanye, our analyst, very nice to see you again this weekend. Rivaldo Coetzee, Sipho Mbule.
Yeah, inkulu kumaphrada kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngilise. Just
Just.
code.
Real Madrid.
Shaileda food. Beautiful.
He's a married man.
Yeah,
he just needs a child.
Yeah,
We
clean.
need more black children.
Nice and clean. Bulisu Benedict so Vilagazi.
Mr. So-and-so?
Ulindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Ski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah.
Surprised first or not surprised?
Yeah, I think it's surprise about Sipho Mbule. Yeah, but
Why would you be surprised about Sipho Mbule?
yeah, number one,
Why would you be surprised?
yeah, iplane njengaye there's better ways
But why would you be surprised?
because of kunendlela ongadila ngayo. Yabona i-situation yakhe.
Wena ufuna ukwenza lama club ama-social worker.
Okay, I understand kulevel.
They try, like they take you on loan, hamba
Yeah.
ndoda uyozama impilo kuSikhukhune sobona mawubuya. They try their best.
Yazi mina ngikhalelana uSipho naye mele akhule manje. Yabona mara angazi aboSipho masikhuluma to the national njengathi bacabanga ukuthi siyadlala. It was not easy even now emgulule kusuke uzongilanda Daveyton mfethu uthi tune nasespani. I had to clean myself first. I had to earn the trust from people. Usipho khona into ekumele yazi udent image yakhe. Too much and this is not the first time Usipho wenza iplanda bano Andile. Andile was unfortunately late. One of the best players hayi ukuthi uSipho unzima ukumdlula whatever.
Andile was still good at that time.
One of the asikhuluma ngengweni yabo. So unfortunately Andile had to leave. And then wahlala uRulani gave him a chance. The coach left because of into makwe yakho mangabe uzihide some people. Uzovela. So unfortunate bamlona baye kuSikhukhune. Fika kuSikhukhune, iSikhukhune sikhala ngaye and lo mfana lo yana ngazi ukuthi uya understand ukuthi ifootball discipline nowadays especially it becomes a business. Football is business in fact. We like it or not. Inamanye ama dynamics in fact. Manje akusafana kuqala. So uSipho uyasizwa siyakhuluma every day ukuthi ebachita. Kunzima la ngaphandle. Always please take care of yourself. Make sure play the game man. Imani kancane indaba zekhasi. Imani kancane ngama wrong friends enzokhasa. It's not a must to uzophuza. Yes. It's not a must to uzophuza mawuceda ukudlala ball. Just make money. Iyahafa football.
I need to ask you an important question.
Yeah.
When you leave Chiefs and you were 21 years old, what happens? Do you get a call from the agent? Funa ukucabanga manje ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoMbule? Is there a call? Because I know uke wazama naye ukhuluma naye, wahlala naye phansi, bakhuluma, and it was on national radio at the time. They were talking. Everyone's trying to talk to him because they love him. He's a good player. He's a fantastic player. He's the most talented midfielder of this generation. But unfortunately, he has to still fix certain things. When you leave Chiefs at 21, what happened? Who called you? Ubani bekakuzamela ispan. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. Ngicela ukuphendula kuqala le ukuthi kwenza okay ngistretch yonke into ngizoyi fast forward. They spoke to me about 10 times. Bahleli ne-already nami. Agent bekhona, but I can tell you ama situation aso my agent they want to take you somewhere. In order for them to benefit. And uyazi uyasamwe uzocompensate. Amanye ama agent umanager ama player 80. So if he lost one, it doesn't care he's got 79. I say uzo compensate every month whatever. So manje nakafuna ukudenta image yakhe teamini because it's got other players mhlamba aqala ama starter teamini. So give it was a matter of babizi olelam because bangikhulisile. The agent they didn't care about it. So bebayihlonipha sharp but ekugcineni babize I think babize about 10 times mina bahlala nami phansi ke ngafika isikhathi that we love the boy but unfortunately this is not a access caster. We cannot lama player njengabo shoes abo Thabo bobani
Absolutely.
very dedicated and disciplined badlala iminyaka lo mfana afika nje manje azomosha. Siphombula kusi legend eSundowns iCan Camden messed up. There's players afike lapha ku Sundowns abo bani even they're still there. Mshishi, we never heard a bad thing about him. You understand? Usipho, agent I can tell ngisasho namhlanje ngibona ngizwile uma ngispanile no Mike mina uMakapu ngisizile ukuthi ngithole ispan kuma Respect United but mina makukuphendula nkuleyo I know the agent nayo I think he fed up.
In a moment like this, njengoba mhlawumbe we're speculating ukuthi behind the scenes ubani mhlawumbe ozama ukusiza yena mhlawumbe bakhuluma nama club manje.
Yeah.
So Mike will have an option yokuthi akhulume namanye ama club.
Yeah.
Or mhlawumbe uyamlandelelela mhlawumbe umfana indleba yizwa.
Yazi mina kunenye into ngizoyisho to the national lewe kaSipho na yini okukayi2 if very tricky somebody might tell Sipho ukuthi by free agent you want to sign.
I suspected that. I suspected that. Yeah. Do you?
Somebody is speaking to the agent.
It's possible.
Or even him direct without the agent.
It's possible for him to be free. Mara inkinga ukuthi njengoba bewuyinkinga kwiDawana na kuSikhukhune. The problem is, especially with Chiefs and Pirates, those are big teams. They won't want to deal with you. Are a problem somewhere else. We don't want you to make you a problem as well. But let's look at where can he possibly go to those big teams?
Nkululeko number 1 ukusayina uSipho nowadays manje ngimthanda it's risky. It's like having a woman who's so beautiful omekahle but ikhanda likho. Uyamthrowa wazi ukuthi uthrow umuntu engekalala endlini. Yabo sometimes uzothi umbiza ngolove in front of everyone actually uthi angisulove wakhe I've got somebody else. Into njengaleyo. Or akunika umntwana engasiwakhe ngiyaxolisa kusho so but it's a truth. uSipho manje kule situation akuyo. Chiefs and Pirates. I would love those two teams. I think game. I would love to see Sipho kula team ayithi Pirates kune surrounding kunabo Mfukeng kunabo Nkotha bazomcompliment. But ito masongayi.
Quality players.
Bam need uSipho futhi.
Quality players.
They need Sipho Mbuli. Yabo. The second best team in the country after Sundowns.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs, the problem is for me a coaching, the philosophy of the coach. The surrounding of which type of players that they're going to sign even now. I love to I wish ngathi bangamsigna manje. But mabasign uSipho they must sign about 7 or 8 as a compliment to Sipho. We're talking about top class players afana similar. Angeke babe uye but more or less equality be the same.
There was something you told me once upon a time about indlela abanegotiate ngayo nawe mase down. You are a talented player but manje uqoshiwe la usuka khona no one wants to sign you. Is it possible ukuthi bangamshayana kuma salary into enjalo?
One bazomtshela signing ngonifike kwethola. Second, we give you 1 year with an option to renew.
It's not going to be a long-term contract.
And not only me, I've spoken with many players. Today we speak like fathers, like parents. 1 year with an option to renew. The option to favor it.
Yeah.
It's a 6 months before. If we never gave you a letter in 6 months before, was good, you must go and find yourself a team. And it 3 years bazomenza ngizodlala 6 months. The last 6 months ngamabomba bafuna ukumbona bangamdlalisi. Bamfihla bayazi ukuthi uzofuna ukuya kubugubha again. Okanye uzodemand a lot of money because ikhanda lakhe lashisa. So Sipho manje melazi it's no longer about him. It's about the teams now. uSipho is whatever that will come kuzomela ithathe now. And mina engakushock Chiefs even in Paris they're not going to sign them. Lama team lawo brand yawo utso can tell naye can testify that. Benginama friend amanye Chiefs at Pirates and angeke mention amagama abo ngicela ukukhulumela mina. Those teams they don't care how talented you are. They can find any talent around the country. They've got money network everywhere. But now this thing we can play now badlala without those talented players. So into engiyazi just ukuphendula uSipho contract yakhe manje izoba namahloso signing on fee ngisho mina ngeke ayijole. Another stuff I contract ngeke favor Sipho at all. And kuzoba na this thing which should anything happen we had kube ne proof we terminating a contract with immediate effect.
Yeah, I need to ask you about Rivaldo Kutia before I let you go. He's had a serious problem with injury. He's a fabulous professional player. Begagwe Olympic 2016, was a young kid at Ajax Cape Town playing centre back. Had a great career at Mamelodi Sundowns as well. I don't know if we've seen him in the last 2 years, and I think that whoever wants to sign him, they will consider there's a problem there with injury. He's a fabulous player, especially as a centre back as well. I love him as a centre back.
Yeah.
He was a very good centre back when he was at Ajax Cape Town. Quickly, in less than 2 minutes, what do you think is going to happen to him?
One, I suspect Kukune they love these players, some former big high-profile players, Abuya Chiefs and Pirates, and Sundowns as well. Yabo, bana this thing with him lo muntu lo is carrying a lot of experience, yabo, and uzonceda le ntwana ezilapha kuSikhukhune, and mawunga-check it's a high-profile team mixed with young players.
Yeah.
And bafika lapho ama-player babana this thing nje mawunga-check abuKhadoso baqale phansi. It's like Baba Kai second chance and nabo bayigrab nabo Mtambo as well.
Stability.
Yes, so they can bring him. I mean, Isikhukhune ngibhekile, also Cape Town City. I think it's from Cape Town, as far as I know.
He's played in Cape Town. I think it was Kakamas, but he's played early
career. Yes, his career. Right, good centre back, but Ushama injured.
That's the biggest problem. Rivaldo Guti, whatever he's gonna sign, now he can be in a situation where only 1 year because of the injury.
Yeah, I think everybody manje uzoba nengcondo ukuthi we need to show you to Polile. Yabo, you can say Polile because of Funispan, but khona ma team wonke nje. Mara Isikhukhune can tell for the profile of the team.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure why they're signing these big profile players behind the scene. I think about Jonas, but about Simon they know because they can sign him. Ngiyakutshela ucheck ama-player amaningi abuya kulama teams these high profile players.
Yeah, Makala, Monarem, all
link
of them.
kuba ne-link yabo ngibonile noMahlo ngathi bamlinka futhi Mahlo Chiefs want to contract ayikho sure mara bamlinka. They say bona ba ready ukuthi they can give him a chance.
Oh, so you see him at Isikhukhune?
I see him as Isikhukhune, or if Cape Town City survive, I see him at Cape Town City.
Thank you so much. That's speculation. We'll come back with the Bafana videos as well later tonight. And of course, next week on Tuesday, Bafana playing another friendly match. In between that, we'll talk about the stories. You know what we do usually in the transfer window. If a club announces a big coaching change, we'll talk about that as well. It is Tiski Times, we're source betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.